Hi, my name is Ali. I am 12 years old, and I live in a small town near the mountains. My house is small but very cozy. It is close to a park where I love to play. Every morning, I wake up early and look outside my window. I can see the mountains from there. The fresh air and the quiet morning make me feel happy. I live with my family. My father works in an office, and my mother is a teacher. I also have a younger sister. Her name is Aisha, and she is 10 years old. Aisha loves to draw and paint. She makes colorful pictures, and we hang them on our walls. I love spending time with my family because we laugh and share stories together. I study in grade 7. My school is not very far from my house. It takes about 10 minutes to walk there. I like my school because it is a friendly place. The teachers are kind, and my classmates are fun to be around. My favorite subject is English. I enjoy learning new words and reading interesting stories. My English teacher, Miss Sarah, is very nice. She always encourages me to do my best. I also like science because I enjoy doing experiments. It's exciting to learn how things work. During lunch break, my friends and I play football in the schoolyard. I usually play as the goalkeeper, and my friends say I am good at it. Sometimes we win, and sometimes we lose, but we always have fun. After school, I come home and finish my homework. My mother always helps me if I find something difficult. In the evening, after dinner, my family spends time together. We talk about our day, and sometimes we play games. My sister, Aisha, loves to play board games. Her favorite game is Ludo, and we often play it after eating. We laugh a lot while playing, and it's always fun. On weekends, my family and I go to the market. We buy vegetables, fruits, and other things for the house. Aisha usually asks for a new coloring book or crayons. After shopping, we come home and cook together. My mother makes the best food, especially biryani. It is my favorite dish, and I always ask for extra rice. In the evenings, we sometimes watch a movie together. My favorite movie is about superheroes. They save the world, and I imagine that one day I could be strong and brave like them. After the movie, we talk about what we liked in the film. I love reading books in my free time. Books help me learn new things and take me to different places. My favorite book is about a boy who finds a magical key. This key takes him to a hidden world full of adventures. I enjoy reading about his journey, and it makes me dream of going on my own adventure one day. Sometimes, I share the stories I read with my sister, Aisha. She listens carefully and always asks many questions. I love talking to her about the books because she gets excited too. We talk for hours about what would happen if we were in the story. It is fun to imagine ourselves in different worlds. Besides reading, I also like to ride my bicycle in the park. The park is just a few minutes away from my house. It has many trees and flowers. I enjoy the peaceful feeling when I ride my bicycle around the park. I often see birds flying in the sky and squirrels running on the trees. One of my biggest dreams is to travel the world. I want to visit many places like big cities, beautiful beaches, and snowy mountains. I imagine myself walking through famous landmarks like the Eiffel Tower in Paris or the Great Wall of China. I dream of seeing the world beyond my small town. But for now, I am happy with where I am. I enjoy the peaceful life in my town. The mountains, the fresh air, and the quiet streets make it a nice place to live. I love the simple things like sitting by the window and watching the sunset. It's a time when I feel calm and happy. I also hope to learn more about different countries and cultures. I believe that understanding other people's ways of life can make the world a better place. I want to make new friends from different parts of the world and learn their languages. That's why I love learning English, because it helps me connect with people from all over the world. Thank you so much for listening to my story. I hope you enjoyed it and learned a little more about me. Now, I would love to hear from you. What about you? Where do you live? And what are your dreams? Do you like reading books, playing sports, or maybe something else? Share your story with me. If you want to practice your English and learn more stories like mine, Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week to help you improve your English listening and speaking skills. So, hit the like button, leave a comment below, and make sure to subscribe. Let's learn English together and share our stories. See you in the next video.